Have you ever imagined soaring through the sky in a fighter jet, executing high-speed maneuvers, and defending your country from above? Becoming a fighter pilot in the U.S. military is one of the most prestigious and competitive career paths out there. But it's also one of the toughest. Only about 48% of Air Force recruits even qualify for pilot positions. The journey is intense, demanding, and requires more than just a dream. It takes education, discipline, peak physical condition, and laser-sharp focus. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know step by step on how to become a U.S. fighter pilot. Earn a bachelor's degree. Before you ever step into a cockpit, you need a solid academic foundation. All military pilots must be commissioned officers, and that means holding at least a bachelor's degree from an accredited university. While your major can vary, fields like engineering, aviation, physics, and mathematics are preferred. The military is looking for candidates who can think critically, solve problems quickly, and operate in high-stress situations, so choose a degree that sharpens those skills. Meet physical and vision standards. Fighter jets aren't made for just anyone, you have to physically fit the role. Most branches require a standing height between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 5 inches, and a sitting height between 34 to 40 inches. Being outside this range doesn't always disqualify you, but it could mean extra screenings. Vision is just as crucial. Ideally, you'll have 20/20 uncorrected vision, though some waivers exist depending on the branch. Enlist and get evaluated. Once you meet the basic requirements, your next move is to enlist in your desired branch, Air Force, Navy, or Marines. Visit a local recruiter or apply online. You'll be scheduled for evaluation at a Military Entrance Processing Station (MEPS), where you'll undergo a full medical exam and submit documents. If all goes well, you'll move on to your branch's physical fitness test. Expect push-ups, sit-ups, running, and sometimes swimming. This test ensures you have the endurance and strength needed for pilot training. Pass the fighter aircrew conditioning test. The FACT test is where things get real. You'll complete 50 repetitions across 5 strength exercises: bench press, arm curl, lat pull, leg press, and leg curl. There's also an endurance segment involving push-ups, abdominal crunches, and leg curls. It's not about bodybuilding, it's about proving you can physically handle the intense G-forces and conditions in the cockpit. Only those who meet the standards move forward. Take the aviation aptitude test. If you're aiming to fly for the Navy or Marines, you'll need to sit for the ASTB, the Aviation Selection Test Battery. This consists of 7 exams, testing everything from math and mechanical reasoning to aviation knowledge and personality traits. You'll need to show you can not only fly but also lead and think critically under pressure. For Air Force pilots, a similar set of cognitive and aptitude evaluations is required. Begin flight training. If you've made it this far, congrats. Now, it's time to fly. You'll begin with Introductory Flight Screening, IFS, a 40-day program that includes around 25 flight hours and 58 hours of classroom instruction. You'll study aircraft systems, airspace navigation, safety procedures, and more. After IFS, you'll move into advanced flight training. This is where your flying skills are refined with simulator sessions, solo flights, and mission simulations tailored to your aircraft and specialization. Obtain security clearance. Before you can officially operate military aircraft, you'll undergo a single-scope background investigation, or SSBI, to secure top-secret clearance. This process includes a deep review of your criminal history, finances, international travel, and personal contacts. You'll complete an online equip form, and your commanding officer will guide you through the rest. Clearance is mandatory. You're not just flying machines, you're handling sensitive national defense assets. Becoming a fighter pilot takes more than just skill, it takes character, resilience, and the will to push through adversity. If you're serious about taking to the skies, start preparing now. The journey is hard, but the reward is sky high. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.